Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming ownership and coverage. Sign into your Apple ID and note the device serial or IMEI so the agent can pull records fast. Once done, choose In-Store Genius Bar, an authorized service provider, or mail-in repair based on urgency and location. Make sure to check warranty or Apple Care Plus to know likely costs. This speeds approvals. Now, open the Apple Support app or Support. Apple. Calm and start the appointment flow. Follow prompts and authorize location or device access when requested. You'll next pick a time and add precise details so technicians know what to expect. When presented with slots, filter for same day or next available and balance convenience versus wait time. Describe the symptom. Include screenshots, error messages, or steps to reproduce the issue. This reduces diagnostic back and forth. Make a quick backup and disable any activation locks. Technicians need access. Note your device passcode and Apple ID consent. Then review appointment summary and confirm, because accurate details shorten service time. You arrive prepared. Be early with your ID, proof of purchase, and backup confirmation so the check-in moves quickly. The technician will run diagnostics. Make sure they explain findings and provide a repair estimate and expected turnaround time. Ask about loaner devices or mail-in options if needed. Once repaired, verify the fix before leaving. If the repair fails or authorization is denied, ask to escalate to Apple Support Chat or request a supervisor. This is the key troubleshooting step that usually resolves exceptional cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.